The Archdiocese of Manila is pursuing its campaign for clean, honest, and peaceful elections in 2016. Its campaign is centered on God's seventh commandment. Ria Fernandez with more details.
Thou shalt not steal. The Archdiocese of Manila has launched a campaign around God's seventh commandment in the Christian Bible. This campaign aims to fight all forms of stealing, including selling and buying of votes during elections.
Kailangan i-train natin yung mga tao na wag na pagdating ng eleksyon ay ang pinagbibili ko talaga yung dignidad ko. Aking pamilya yung pinagbili. Kasi ang kapalit nito ay kahirapan dahil yung inupo mo na nagbigay sa iyo ng pera, ang kauna-unahang magnanakaw.
To promote the campaign, the Roman Catholic organization urges the public to wear a Wag Kang Magnakaw t-shirt. One can buy a campaign t-shirt worth 150 pesos at Radio Veritas, Adamson University, and other related institutions. People may also make their own version of the campaign t-shirt so long as it has white background to symbolize purity and cleanliness and black print to symbolize the fight against stealing.
Maraming epekto yung t-shirt. Yung mga nagtitinda sa palengke, pag nakakita ng nagsusuot ng t-shirt, sinasabi nila, experience ko ito, sir, wag na po kayo sa akin bimili. Dahil may daya po yung timbangan ko. Ulitin, ano ka mo, sir, may daya po yung timbangan ko. Doon na po kayo sa kapitbahay ko. Marami pang ganyang nangyayari. Pagbibigyan ko ng halimbawa ng isang t-shirt, yung isang nakaupo sa gobyerno, tahakang sinasabi sa akin, Father, wag muna po, hindi ko pa kaya. Hindi ko po kayang isuot yung t-shirt na yan. Kasi pag sinuot mo ito na magnakaw, maa-allergic ka, bubulutungin ka.
Father Nonong said the campaign is open to all Filipinos regardless of religion or faith, as long as one believes in the need to eradicate the sin of stealing.
Sa eleksyon po, lahat po tayo magsusuot ng wag kang magnakaw. Ibig sabihin yan, at ang lahat po ng ating radio stations, kapag merong isang tao o politikong nagbibigay ng pera, sabihin natin, dito sa lugar na ito, nagbibigay ng pera, ganito kalaki, ganito karami. Kailangan, ang kalaban natin kasi rito is, because this is moral, ang kalaban nito ay kasalanan, dapat konfrontahin natin siya head-on.
In September 2014, the Archdiocese of Manila came up with the idea of using Wag Kang Magnakaw as an election campaign. This is after the country faced a series of issues such as DAP and PDAF, including the perennial problem of corruption. For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.